Hello my dear friends, welcome back. In this lecture, I am going to teach you about matrix and few base commands of MATLAB. As we know, the full form of MATLAB is matrix laboratory. The question is, what is a matrix? Matrix is a two-dimensional array or a natural numbers are arranged in rows and columns like this. What about if I have more dimensions than two dimensions? Then what is the shape of matrix, right? It looks like something like this. But first, we learn about two-dimensional matrix. When we write or speak, we always speak row first. After that, we speak column, like this. Here I am m rows and n columns. Then I will say I have m cross n matrix. And if it is an k dimension matrix, then I will speak like first rows, second column, and third pages, like this. I have I rows, j columns, and k. So I cross j cross k. Now let's create few matrices in MATLAB. It is a little bit time consuming, and here we are. Let's create basic matrix. When you want to create a matrix, always use a square bracket. Don't use curly brackets or another brackets. When you have got errors, you can create a matrix by two ways. By using blank space, which I use between 1 and 2 and 2 and between 3. Another way is you can use by commas, like this. I am going to use another variable due to which you are able to compare both. Here in workspace you can see both have same values. Now let's create a two-dimensional. Z is equal to simple. You can also create let's create a 2 by 3, like remove few things and name a variable with x. Here we are. There is one of my favorite operator. It's colon. Let me show you what it can do. Colon 9. So it can write all the numbers between 1 and 9 and also including them. Now what if I don't want to write all variables? I want to write multiple of 2's. So like this, 2 colon. I want to write a multiple of 2, so I write first 2 colon and 10. Here you can see that 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. You can write anything. I will write 3. So it just add with 2 plus 3 5 plus 3 8. Now 8 plus 3, which is already obviously bigger than number, is 11. So it will not going to represent you that number. There is a one also good command is size. It will tell you the size of any matrix. Let's check the size of matrix X. It's 2 by 3. Now what? I am just interested in columns, not in rows. And what you are going to do? Use the length command. Length X and 0. Here you can see we get only 3, which is obviously columns, and rows are elemented. Now last time I will teach you a command clear, which is used to clear the workspace. What if I want to clear just from one variable of workspace? Then first type a clear command. After that, name of that variable. Example, I want to clear answer. Here answer is clear. Now I am thinking that my variable are important for me and I want to save it, because what if someone deleted it, or if I restart it, all variables are gone. There are two ways. First is Control S and second is save command. I will show you both. First Control S. just name it MATLAB. No, okay, MATLAB is already there. I will type 123, save it, and here is it's a little bit late, but I will. Now let's clear workspace and hit on clear. Here my old variable are backs. Now let using a save and its name it 456, and here is test 456.mat. Now clear workspace again and load 456 mat by hitting enter or return button if you are using. Sorry, my bad. You get all variables backs. Now what if you are stuck in some moment, MATLAB is stuck in long calculation and you're not getting your answer, and you have to come out like this. 1 2 3. Oh, it's too much. Let's decrease it. Oh, it's too much. I want to hit button Control C, and you are going to out of this. Let's first clear this mass CLC. Now last command is quiet. It is used to close the MATLAB. So this is much for today. In next lecture I am going to teach you help command. So goodbye.